In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Kudoboard link if you've just finished setting up a Kudoboard and you're ready to invite colleagues, friends, or family to add their messages. This walkthrough will make it quick and stress-free. First, open your Kudoboard. You can do this in any modern browser, and it works smoothly on both desktop and mobile. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard where you'll see the boards you've created or been added to. If you don't see your board right away, use the search bar or the Recent Boards section to locate it. The key is simply to get into the specific board you want to share. Next, go to the board you created. Click or tap the board's thumbnail or title to open it. When the board loads, you'll see the collection of messages, images, and GIFs that make Kudoboard so fun. This is the space your invitees will see, and in many cases, they'll be able to add their own posts if your board settings allow it. Take a quick glance to make sure it's the right board and that it's ready to be shared. Now, look for the Invite or Share option. On desktop, you'll usually find it near the top right of the board page. On mobile, it might be tucked inside a menu icon. The label can appear as Invite Share or sometimes a combination like Invite or Share, but it's the same tool. This is your gateway to generating a single link that you can send anywhere: email, chat, text, or your team workspace. Click Invite or Share. A small panel or modal will open, showing different ways to bring people in. You might see options for emailing invitations directly, but for the fastest route, focus on the direct link. This is a unique URL that takes people straight to your board without any extra effort on your part. Choose Copy Link. The link will be copied to your clipboard instantly. From here, you can paste it into a message, a calendar invite, or a group chat. Most browsers will show a brief confirmation that it's been copied. If you're on mobile, a quick long press in your messaging app will let you paste it where you need. That's it. You've opened your Kudoboard, navigated to your board, used the invite or share feature, and copied the shareable link. Share it confidently and enjoy watching the messages roll in.